I'm Liss.
And I'm Hannah Liss. And we're here to bring you the fall sports recap.
So let's get to it. The fall season was full of wins for teams all around Akron. Starting off with field hockey, who achieved a perfect league record with 13 wins, 0 losses, and 0 ties. Their overall record is 14 wins, 1 non-league loss, and 0 ties. Of 15 games, 13 have been shutouts. This is due to the defensive skills this team has. Ava Fox, Madison Gates, and Alexis Salmon have tremendously helped their team in the countless victories defending their net and working their hardest.
The defense isn't the only one defending the goal, though. Goalie Marissa Bragg is having an amazing season, even getting chosen as a WKBW Channel 7 Super 7 Athlete of the Week. On the other end of the field, the offense continues to hit the back of the net many times throughout the games. Morgan Tomborowski and Mackenzie Tomborowski both have 15 goals and 7 assists. Julia Klaczynski has 12 goals, 1 assist, and Madigan Regan has 2 goals, 12 assists. Congrats on the amazing season, girls.
The golf team also did an amazing job this year. On October 2nd, the team traveled to the Niagara Orleans Golf Tournament. Here they completed the regular season with a perfect record of 12 wins and 0 losses. The team traveled to Willowbrook Golf Club, where they strive to secure the league championship. They did just that, with seniors Cam Wild receiving first place, Thunder Hallett receiving second place, and Aiden Romister getting third.
The football team ended their season with an overall record of 5 wins and 5 losses. Blake Gerstone led their team in touchdowns with a total of 23. Nick Fry had 13 touchdowns, and Brayden Lamont had 6. We can't wait to see what the team brings next year.
Girls soccer had an amazing season this year. Their overall record was 11 wins, 4 losses, and 3 ties, putting them in a third-place finish in their league. Freshman Abby Gerstung was the leading goal scorer with 10 goals, and not far behind her, senior Elena Susfolk had 8. Senior goalie Avery Wolf also had a top save percentage in the NO League. All the girls contributed enormously and worked very hard throughout the season to have a great finish. Good work, girls.
Boys soccer put in a lot of effort during the season. This led them to end their season with a record of 5 wins and 9 losses. The leading scorer for the team was Sawyer Rani with 12 goals and 8 assists. The young team will continue to work hard, and we can't wait to see what they bring next year.
The Akron volleyball team's overall record at the end of the season was 7 wins and 7 losses. During the season, the team traveled to Star Point for a tournament where they came in first in their bracket. The girls played an amazing season, and we can't wait to see what happens for them next year.
Both cross-country teams did very well this season. On the girls' side, sophomore Kylie Redmond had the top time with 21 minutes and 20 seconds. For the boys, 8th grader Quinn O'Malley had the top time with 17 minutes and 43 seconds. We can't wait to see how these athletes develop in the future years.
Once again, I'm the better sister, Ella Liss.
And I'm the even better sister, Hannah Liss. And thanks for tuning into our sports recap. Go Tigers! Woo! That was a horrible.